I am starting the daily challenge. I will first accept the cookies to clear the UI, then I will make an initial guess of inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. Type card is red. My guess inception is a movie. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2010 red arrow up and has a rating lower than 8.8 red arrow down. No genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page, or director Nolan overlap. I need to find a TV series released after 2010 with a rating below 8.8. Type card is red for inception movie, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. I will guess Succession 2018, rating 8.8 to test a highly rated modern drama and narrow down the year and rating further. Type card is green. My guess Succession is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2018 red arrow down and has a rating lower than 8.8 yellow arrow down, meaning it is between 8.3 and 8.7. The genre drama is a match green pill, but comedy is not. No actors or directors from Succession overlap. Type card is green for Succession, so target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2018 and has a rating between 8.3 and 8.7. It is a drama but not a comedy. I will guess Mad Men 2007, rating 8.7 to test an older, highly rated drama. Type card is green. My guess Mad Men is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2007 red arrow up and older than 2018 from previous guess. The rating is lower than 8.7 yellow arrow down, so 8.2-8.6. Drama is a matching genre. No actors or directors from Mad Men overlap. Type card is green for Mad Men, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2007 and older than 2018 with a rating between 8.2 and 8.6. It is a drama. I will guess The Crown 2016, rating 8.6 to test a newer period drama within the established year and rating range. Type card is green. My guess The Crown is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target has a rating of exactly 8.6 green. The year is older than 2016 red arrow down. Drama and history are matching genres green pills, but biography is not. No actors or directors from The Crown overlap. Type card is green for The Crown, so target medium equals TV series. The target has a rating of 8.6 and is older than 2016. It is a drama and history series, but not a biography. I will guess Vikings 2013, rating 8.5 to test a historical drama from that era, even though the rating is slightly off, to narrow the year. Type card is green. My guess Vikings is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target has a rating of 8.6 yellow arrow up from 8.5. The year is older than 2013 red arrow down. Drama is a matching genre, but action and adventure are not. No actors or directors from Vikings overlap. The pixelated poster shows a white/light background with a central figure. Type card is green for Vikings, so target medium equals TV series. The target is older than 2013 and has a rating of 8.6 yellow arrow up from 8.5. It is a drama but not action, adventure, history, or biography. House 2004-2012 has a rating of 8.7 close to 8.6 and fits the drama genre and year range. The poster hint also shows a central figure which could match House MD. Type card is green. My guess House of Cards is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target has a rating of exactly 8.6 green. The year is older than 2013 yellow arrow down, meaning 2011 or 2012. Drama is a matching genre green, but thriller is not. No actors or directors from House of Cards overlap. Type card is green for House of Cards, so target medium equals TV series. The target has a rating of 8.6 and is from 2011 or 2012 yellow arrow down from 2013. It is a drama but not a thriller. Homeland 2011 has a rating of 8.3, but I will test it to confirm the year and narrow down the genres further. Type card is green. My guess Homeland is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The target year is newer than 2011 yellow arrow up, so 2012 or 2013. The rating is higher than 8.3 yellow arrow up, so 8.4-8.8. No genres thriller, mystery, crime, or cast/crew from Homeland overlap. The target is a drama from 2012-2013 with a rating around 8.6. Type card is green for Homeland, so target medium equals TV series. The target is newer than 2011 yellow arrow up and older than 2013 from Vikings, making it likely 2012. The rating is higher than 8.3 yellow arrow up. The Newsroom 2012 is a drama with an 8.6 rating, which fits all current constraints perfectly. Type card is green. My guess The Newsroom is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The year 2012 is green exact match. The rating 8.6 is green exact match. The genre drama is green. However, the guess was not the target. I need to find another TV series from 2012 with an 8.6 rating that is a drama, but not The Newsroom. Type card is green for The Newsroom, so target medium equals TV series. The target is exactly from 2012 with an 8.6 rating and is a drama. I will first click choose a hint to reveal an actor, then guess Line of Duty 2012, rating 8.7, which is a very popular 2012 drama that fits the profile. Type card is green. My guess Line of Duty is a TV series. Therefore, target medium equals TV series. The year 2012 is green exact match. The rating 8.7 is yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target rating is 8.6. Drama is green, but crime and mystery are gray. The synopsis hint describes midwives in East London from the 1950s and 1970s, which perfectly identifies the show called The Midwife. Type card is green for Line of Duty, so target medium equals TV series. The target is from 2012 with a rating of 8.6 and is a drama. The synopsis hint visible on guess 9 describes midwives in East London, which is the exact premise of Call the Midwife. I will guess Call the Midwife to finish the challenge. I found the answer Call the Midwife in 10 guesses. The key clues were the exact 2012 release year and 8.6 rating, but the final synopsis about midwives in 1950s East London made it a sure thing.